Hello you beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Lash Hero Fibre extension from The Body Shop. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, because I have lots more videos on this channel, and hit that notification bell because I don't want you missing out on anything. So let's get to this mascara. Okay, I absolutely love this mascara, and I will tell you the reasons why, because I no longer have to wear false lashes. Hooray! This is nice and easy. Now, false eyelashes hurt my eyes, so they make me feel tired, and there's so much effort. So yes, this is brilliant. This is only £12 as well, so it's a bargain. I'm saving so much money now on not buying false lashes. I have not yet tried the blue mascara, so I am using London Jet. This is the black one, and I love it. It's my fave. Okay, so just like so, you know how to apply. So we're going to apply the mascara from this end, and then we apply the fibres. Okay, so mascara, then fibres. Here we go. I would do this one eye at a time too. So whilst it's nice and wet, we're going to stroke on the fibres just like so. Now the fibres feel like they are dropping, but they're not going into my eyes, so it's lovely. Pop them on like so. Mascara, fibres, back to the mascara. I mean, look at that. That is totally fab, and that's just with one coat as well. So we'll go and do the other eye. So the fibres. Would I recommend this mascara? Yes, absolutely, 100%. So if you wanted a more dramatic look with your eyes and your lashes, then just keep applying. But I think this is absolutely fantastic. Fibres on there, mascara's on there, and that is really enhancing my lashes and making them look so much longer. So yeah, this is £12. What a bargain. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my video today, and now you know how to apply the Lash Hero mascara, the Fibre extension. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you again soon. Let's have a chat. We'll have a cup of tea if you want. Maybe on via the screen. You have a cup of tea, I'll have a cup of tea at this side, and then I'll be quiet now. Bye.